Yɛrɛ kwaba mfanga se oba network yes as usual yɛfam to mfanga se gaka talk for dwumadie no ɛno so eguso a ɛkɔso anya sam ketwa Asante Kotoko unofficially ɔno so etimati game no ɛma ɔmo ne Goldstars ɛnso etimara pem so after the game no na bawo ko efɛn se baby any Goldstars ɛnso etimachi Asante Kotoko etimi abom ɛka ba ko a Bobo ko efan se asan atwam akane mi no makotoko enso etimi etika no ba ko don nsem no ede emam just a mistake from Aprantia je fen se Harry Ansu and etimi result to sa 2-1 no in favor for Boku a ye fen se Babian Goldstars. And don't forget the two teams ni nyina no omo nyina ewram for Africa campaign na fe omo dwumadie no enso etima ko so don't forget so rema Babian Goldstars ekobo cup champions no fe Asante Kotoko and so Arabo CAF Confederation to get cut off on a Jumedia. I think a good preparation. I don't know the two teams are almost African of a Motima Koyama and Yamaswaj Mare and me Alcosue. And it may be SC game Nima as a Mamu. Dear Koye and the Ankoye, Sir Coach Fairness Abukarim Zito on the Tatas level on the right. And as a coach, no, and so end me and the right. Now, first of all, may I attendance, no? Because big tournaments like this, unya baby Goldstars, unya hustle folk, not when you're Asante Kotoko for heart of fire because among the best clubs I know where league in my chemwa. Goldstars empty me at the enso etimeji edi so manaso. And don't forget some no cause class mienua among Africa. So I wish I could get a phone pay for the 2 money chess at tournament na fe. Near can say I promotional and so at him I jumaye. In fact, all them of course with you Asante Kotoko Goldstars are all right. Not fancy be the honor, but this is not fans and expecting about almost with our best story because Obo Kotoko Ebo baby and Goldstars a big game. Kotoko baby and Goldstars a big game. So I think that the promotion of this game now of them that a phone point for your bomb system in the tournament you know of late as a form. And you man conforming at the tournament you know and you know saying players somewhere almost so I think that low attendance at the and also me amo our Asante Kotoko for baby and Goldstars game no because I will say yeah we have fun senga ceremony and so it's mabuma because I there Kotoko yenim say wo ko share work wo de yakopon ya do ma sese Asante Kotoko awini kwara ya kwara omo eko Morocco a eda ya some spectators on Morocco no anu ba hye and you new players so much money opportunity me no ka so mo kware almost wo si aka na Asante Kotoko so ke etimi bibi se na etimi bo menya supporters aba stadium a se na ba ya new players on betimi menya south feeling no ayen sa akra na ye the financial situation informal clubs no o dey say wo gi be 50-50 na say first stadium dey tima chim na enyam half a ave say betima support clubs ni bi o tell say e betima support clubs na fe mo ga kakro betima support mo chatting say low attendance e reba kwa ya dey eno so e ha adwen back on the pitch na players no ejina so esi akan no in fact na pitch no ancient crane support be all ceremony players on mujina pitch ni so ensia kan nyina ebedi adanse say pitch on metwa pitch ade kire ye na aye green kama na emre etuetu mu in fact anya no ane hu ye e game ni eba television side ya solid eba television side ya sabi nyam GH1 for nya de yam mo baso amu ye juman all right but adeba ko ma a tournament na nkasa a start ne quality aba from no aya picture player say the enso agina so si akan yango player de na se bi yenya player si bi etimi piemu because ka be ha adwen o ti ase en ka be ha adwen so so pen for monere enso entimi enye they say mama low attendance mama on here kan say aya pitch issues cause say yedi nema diagra ebe ye tournament no nya players o my dey o prepare yes ebe ye tournament no e bia na nya players o my dey o prepare e dey o some dey enso abeba se sempe for ɔmo fo mo nesi fom na pitch no nim ya no nyeso adwuma ɔmo nyeso adwuma fine ɛno ɛsɛ ne ten no na o Asante Kotoko line up coach Karim Zito ɛde ya obanya goalkeeper fɛn sɛ Mohamed Camara then the back four Abante fɛn sɛ ɛyɛ Samba Onel ana Ferry Ansu then the left side Patrick Esiedu the right because of Lord Amwa injury Shaibu Abubakar and a boy here oba medoa obenya Adabo obenya Abante fɛn sɛ Jimano Enchi ana Said Kojo afe oba winsa obenya Abetamoa no nya Saka Dauda then when your Abante fɛn sɛ Kwame Poku so this is lineup of coach fɛn sɛ Karim Zito here and where any dance say we any Karim Zito in the first team I'm about catch about 2 days ago say permanent man ehuru we ebe line up a coach fɛn sɛ Karim Zito be the enso ebetima use on the way forward am na ebetima koso because unya Abante fɛn sɛ aya Camara in goal post then a chiro the back four obenya Abante fɛn sɛ Samba Onel obenya Harry Ansu the left side Patrick Esiedu then the right when your branch friend said Shaibu Abubakar oba middle obenya Adabo Jimano entry and if a branch friend said Kojo then the wings your branch friend said Albert Amoa and Saka Dauda then any more no abaya branch friend said Kwame Poku so you could call this and some of the catch no sapepe and and this is typical as to use no Karim Zito the first level of use yakwa nim e wo season mu even the matches how do I don't mean you use and so no and I'm a journey be say na kama pese some players on me am more for the first game course you know and so betima your opportunity and so be the ababesi aka na yetima rese no so dey and so betimi about on board because Camara or Aziz or Danachi what I say then ubenya Michael Sefa as usual and so dey e adwuma kama e see somewhat no so dey and so tima pick form and you dozu so no so dey ebe chere maka krabi enye de na yenim dozu training no or the buy eno no but I am in to benya ide otimi chere maka kra so be say Karim Zito changes no and so betima adwuma na fe other side no yen so no so performance dey and so esitie back to Kotoko defense they be kasa same way say all the compare Asante Kotoko elbow Kaiser Chief Asante Kotoko Cape Coast friendly games from elbow then an over against a Goldstars here defense and mistakes there the Ansu doso na go first at boss mechi see who has to no GD say problem is be e come say ye dey so be ya branch versus Harry Ansu Chawan ye league go bi da oni mu niema what I say ti enebo no menko so mase bi ye be try catch ro penalty ya boss ni no bibi asi penalty ya boss na ugina mu na o try so be prevent team no say ye ntimi hye no bibi atimi si so as a top defender like Ansu de ene ko say mistake we ukoye bio en masanya kwan ahwe video no minim se na Ansu na se na oboji wonu se na wo ye de yo just one can any kwan kwa ne tikwa na kase se bio he keeper no e stable da goal post man ase dey ati se ko Karim Zito ene no be kasa yes Zito no be kasa na ya ho se the way no ene mo so we dey enso ebetimi akoso e kama e dia my then defense no bi anto no fo the Samba Patrick Esiedu the Shaibu cause we na no e Cape Coast penalty me consider ya na ene ma ha dream and na meeting goalkeeper trim na metenase den say na o tiatia mo no asena mo focus mo lose cause am say e friendly game keke be ene e show yi enso e wo e bebia no Goldstars game nim jate say defense mo no mo so mo entimi ento no fo ene mo Shaibu Abubakar baso because utimi e make you debut e wo game kese like this no e say mo baso and enya mo so front interfere so obi aye dey e praise you so obetima yen say me dey ko enim dia ene ye somebody obeje Kotoko fans no omo no ekoye on be catch ro ankoye on be catch ro so now so be catch ro place be mo timo opportunity a musi akaino munye ni saa onu say ye hu Philippa no all right hu be jew e bai onu so be ne ma kakra na ni so be ka se bi na se mo wafi se bi yo we de bi bunu be bo kraman saa level ni bi no ene mi ba ko e wa branch e fence jew mu ene mi yan ka se mi no bi chairman young boy twinfo when opportunity na use me it could so branch e fence Shaibu Abubakar without Lord Amon and then one who say no and you no betima ye and on the foot to me they are now the best sure now we are the best na me gidi any musade but adwuma Lord ye him say Lord 8 million no anya hwekwa betima ye mu half e dem Asante Kotoko ne so Shaibu Abubakar Joe Samba na enema yere enkoso enfama then goalkeeper branch of friend say Jimano Kobi solid goalkeeper solid na ebinum kasa den tell branch blasters call up no nya bi e ha adwene die but ene ope player ba ko on the field of play both Asante Kotoko and the Goldstars no modebo so etimi so ni to me Shaibu and a branch of friend say Jimano Kobi goalkeeper everybody make a friend say baby Goldstars a lot of saves otimi no etimi save baby Goldstars here na enya sam kitwa saves no na solid se si an ko Africa ni media enya mo se bia we Africa no so etimi de enya papa de enso etimi wura tima big ups to you adwuma no enya na we ye no tokoso na ye na entimi ma na ye enya mo so entimi ko ziti enyumre yi you wrapping up en fama mo kakra ya we nyaki kasabia se me pen na pa na yetima dey enso etimi edem to on celebration don't forget so be dey over subscribe na onso wetima she